Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie. Yeah, don't look at my hair. From our half-acre homestead, and I want to show you my incubator arrangement. All of a sudden, my turkeys are laying and the boys are doing their jobs, so things are going to start moving a lot faster. This incubator, all 3 of those turkey eggs and all 4 of those chicken eggs, they're fertile. And what I do is I have a sponge in there, and what I do with the sponge is I will just get a warm glass of water, and I will half full, and I will stick the sponge down in it and hold it down under until it absorbs the water, and I put it in the incubator. It's a lot easier than trying to pour water in that might splash eggs or whatever the case, but this works much better for humidity. This batch, some of them are pretty muddy, but we're going to give them a chance. This batch, there are 9 in here and I haven't candled them yet. They will actually get candled probably in the next couple of days. Now there's a reason why I'm showing you all of the incubators, because I have 3 incubators, but I have 4 sets of eggs so far. This incubator I have just candled. Now you're going to notice here that this one has an orange star on it, and this one does too. And I'm going to give you a quick look, but some of them don't. What this is there are 6 eggs in here that are fertile because I candled them last night, and I have 8 eggs that I just put in today. And I've marked them with an orange star. So how I'm going to work this is, once the eggs, the 3 fertile and the 3 fertile turkey eggs and the 4 fertile chicken eggs, they are coming out of the egg turner next week. And then they will hatch, God willing. Once they're hatched, I will clean the incubator, get it back up to temperature, and I will move the eggs with the orange star on them to the fresh incubator. And then if I have more turkey eggs, I'll put them in that incubator with a different colored star. This is where it gets really, really important, folks, that you monitor your temperatures, your humidity, and you write down and color code your batches of eggs on a paper calendar. Yes, I still use a paper calendar for all my bills and for things like rotating eggs and incubator hatch times. If you notice, there is a healthy amount of poop there, which, whoops, sorry guys, I didn't mean to startle you, which there wasn't this morning. Both of these turkey poults have sticky butt. And sticky butt is where the poop dries over their vent and their poop can back up inside them. You have to be extremely careful taking the dried poop off, because if it's too far in and it's dried inside somewhat, you can actually pull out their intestines. So you have to be really careful when you take it off. You can moisten it or whatever. And then, but what I did is I took them to the sprayer over in my kitchen sink, and I held them very gently with warm water, and I gently sprayed the poop off. I dried their bottoms, just like babies. I dried their bottoms with a paper towel, and then I coated their vents with mineral oil. And my goodness, did they poop, poop, poop! But guess what? I'm going to keep continuing to do this until they grow out of it. And that is what's going on with my turkey incubator, or my incubators. I'm not going to hatch any more chicken eggs, because I already have 7 or 8 out in the porch and 4 there, and that's all we're going to need for the freezer. Turkeys, whatever I hatch from this point on, I just might sell. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, saying when you're hatching eggs and looking after babies, you need a routine, and you need a calendar, and you need to write that stuff down. Take care. God bless.